Mi gente, se dañó esto.
Please hold me close and let me stay until the sunrise. Just say you'll hold me forever, at least for tonight.
Okay guys, as you can see, we're going to be making a DIY mirror with flowers on it from Dollar Tree. The things you will need are an old mirror, flowers, beads, wood letters, and super glue. Before gluing anything on, you have to make sure your mirror is clean. Mine had dust on it because it was in my garage, so I got Windex and I cleaned it. I cleaned the wood, I cleaned everything. Okay, this is when we're going to start cutting the stems off of the flowers. So you get wire cutters and you're going to cut as close as you can to the flowers so that it can glue correctly. And I really don't recommend the super glue actually, because it was really hard for me to glue on the flowers to the wood. So I highly recommend using hot glue gun. But if you're under the age, please have adult supervision. Okay, next step is we're going to glue down the wood letters, and these letters are really cute, so I was very excited for this step, and it was actually pretty easy. Next step is gluing down the flowers. I was actually more excited than gluing down the wood letters because these flowers are actually really pretty, and as you can see, I will be struggling a little bit because, like I said, the super glue was not easy to use with the flowers to glue to the wood. found all the flowers. I took the leaves and I started putting them all around of the border of the mirror, and it gave it more of a real flower look, so I found it really pretty to put it on, so I recommend it. I didn't put it everywhere. I didn't put it after each flower. I just put it here and there. So it gave it, a little pretty touch of green. Okay, the last step are putting on the beads, and I'm gonna recommend getting a bowl and putting all of them in a little plastic bowl because they do roll everywhere. It gave me a mess. Okay, these are the results and it looks so beautiful. I absolutely love it so much. I find it so pretty. I found it, really cute to put it up on the wall. I found it, you could put it in a makeup room. You can use it as a selfie mirror. It just, it looks so cute and it looks better than the original wood mirror. And I highly recommend doing this DIY and I hope you guys liked it.